Hey folks, I have a really cool tenor ukulele to show you. And it was a bit of an experiment for me. The main wood in this instrument is mango. And I haven't used any mango since I went out on my own. And that was because when we relaunched Beansprout, I wanted to use as few tropical woods as possible. Over the years, I've started to use salvaged tropical woods. So I didn't use mango because I never had my hands on any that were salvaged. You know, I wasn't about to go cut down new trees in Hawaii to get mango wood or anywhere else. And so I just kind of forgot about it. But when I worked at my MOA, we used mango all the time. When it comes to a top back sides wood, it's kind of between myrtle and koa. I've had some customers of mine think that myrtle is too bright, koa is maybe too dark. I think this mango is pretty well right in the middle, and it's got a good woody tone that I like. So this mango came from some furniture that our friends from Portland, Danny and Perry gave us. It was some big chunks of mango that were used as like end tables. And so we split it up and milled it, and I have a bunch of mango now that I can make ukuleles out of. And this stuff is the plainest, simplest set. The rest of it's very curly and interesting. But even for plain and simple, it's very beautiful. I love the color tone. So I used curly maple binding for it, and then the mango top, back, and sides. And then pistachio for head plate, bridge, the rosette, and the fingerboard. And I think it matches the color palette for sure. And then I got enough mango to make some necks too. So that's 2 pieces of mango with a mahogany stripe down the middle. It's got a carbon fiber rod in the neck for stability. And it feels good. I like it. I think if other people want mango, I'll use it. Also, it goes along with my theme of using lots of woods that come from food production. Like there's mango trees all over the global tropical world, and people eat them, obviously. And mango trees, when they hit the ground, they don't last very long. They rot out really fast. So it's kind of hard to get it into lumber. But, you know, technically, I don't know where this mango came from. Somewhere in Southeast Asia. I don't know how it was milled or anything. But as a salvage operation, I'm fine with it. And it's another orchard or food production wood that's in our queue, along with, you know, cherry, walnut, pistachio, all the other things we use, tamarind, that are byproducts of food production. So I feel good about it. And it sounds nice. Oh, I made a special end graft too, I forgot. So anyway, this is a stock instrument. It's up for sale on the website right now. And once it's gone, if somebody else wants more mango instruments, let's talk, because I have also curly, spalted, all kinds of other kinds of mango. I think it's going to be... It's going to be good. It sounds good too, and it's very light. So that's number 844. Thanks, folks.